This is the Honey Badger, an E.C.D custom Defender 110, finished to our client's exact specification. Honey Badger is painted full gloss Keswick green with black accents. This 110 sits on 18-inch Sawtooth wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres, also features a Slimline front bumper with daytime running lights, an E.C.D custom steering guard, and rear NAS style bumper. Inside, Honey Badger features an NRG Innovations wooden steering wheel with all-American gauges, 2 Corbeau front and mid-row seats, with 4 inward-facing jumps in the load area. Each seat is finished in a double vertical diamond Garrett Cadence Spice leather stitched together in sumac. This 110 is powered by our 450 horsepower GM LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern conveniences such as touchscreen head unit with JL audio speakers, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to charging points throughout.